I'm Katie Eves. I'm a Scentsy independent consultant, and today I've got a box of goodies just delivered. Like, I had a little damage get into the box because I'm a weakling. But yeah, I wanted to show this to you guys to see what, to show you what I'm loving and maybe inspire you for your next order. Okay, so first let's start off with the bundle I got. So I got the Laundry Love bundle, and you get the laundry liquid. I got Jammy Time, and then you get the washer whisk, the big boy, the massive one that's like bigger than your head. Washer whiffs are like little granules that you put into the washer drum, and it like boosts the fragrance. I love it. And then 2 packs of dryer discs. So there's 2 in each one, so you're getting 4 dryer discs. Each dryer disc lasts for like 15 loads, so that's 60 loads in here. So you get all of this for $50, but I used my party credit, so I got it half off, and it saves you $10 if you were to buy things individually. So the bundle is the way to go. And then we got lots of stuff down here. I got some more oils from my diffuser up there. Let's see. So this is Starfruit and Orange Zest. I've already smelled it, so I'm not going to open it. I like it. And then Melon Water and Aloe. I've also already smelled it, so I'm just going to put it in my little stash. And then I got a 6-pack of pods. I also got those for half off. So I only paid $6 for those because I hosted my own party. So, let's see. The last things in here are my bundle of pods. If you don't know what a pod is, it's a little, little cup, right? It's got slots all in it, and there's fragrance beads in there that are scented, and it's not gonna spill, it's not messy, you know, it's not going anywhere. And then this is what we use in our fan products, and I have a Scentsy Go that I use in my car and at work, and then we have wall fans in the house, and then the air purifier also takes these, and the mini fans. And I freaking love pods. This one's Cocoa Lime. I love it. I recently discovered that I liked the scent. This is so freaking good. It is so strong. Cocoa Lime is so strong. I love it. I can't wait to see how long this lasts because it's a stout scent. Pina Colada Cha Cha. If you know me, you know I love pineapples, so I like the smell. Oh, it smells so good. It smells just like the drink, like a pina colada. Freaking good, y'all. I can close it. There you go. And then, of course, each pack comes with 2. And then, let's see. I got Luna. This one's a classic. Everybody loves Luna. Just about everybody. So, it's a very gentle scent, in my opinion. It's a little bit florally. One of our best sellers. And then I got Baked Apple Pie. Because, why not? Ooh, that's so good. That's got a lot of cinnamon in it, and I love cinnamon. I love spice. Even though this is classified as a bakery scent, it's got a strong cinnamon to it. That's delicious smelling. Blue Grotto. My mom is obsessed with this scent, so I always try to get Blue Grotto stuff when I order stuff so that she has it on hand. Because I live with her and my dad and my brothers. That's good. It's got like a tropical smell to it. It's really nice. And then lastly, Make a Splash. I love the body wash, and I think I'm gonna love this. Oh, wow. That is like so fresh, but also a little fruity. Oh, I think I'm gonna use these in the car tomorrow because I'm ready for new pods in my car. This is amazing. Make a Splash. Yeah. But yeah, this bundle is buy 5, get 1 free. So instead of 60, I got it for 50. And then I think it had host rewards, so I got like some money off of that. Yeah, so hosting your party pays. You get discounts on your favorites. So yeah, that was my little mini haul. I'll put this on YouTube and probably my Facebook group and Facebook page and Instagram and everything. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, find the link. It'll probably be down there or up there. Yeah. Have a good day. Bye.